Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Flavia and I love making packing videos for you for the places that I visit. So today we are packing for Brazil. And so as you can see, I'm in Portugal right now and it is winter. I'm wearing long sleeves and everything, but below the equator, it is summer. So the things that I'm going to be packing are going to be a bit lighter and not as warm as I would need them to be here. So let's go see what I'm going to take. Brazil will be country 41 for me, and for purposes of transparency, everything here is not everything that I will be taking. There's some things that I just can't show you at the moment, one of them being the tripod that I'm currently using to record this video. My laptop is being charged, so is my portable charger that I'm going to be using, but I will be linking everything in the description below so that you can see it if you'd like to get it as well, and then that way you can add that to your travel gear. So let's get started with the clothes portion of what I'll be taking, and then I will show you what I'm actually going to take. Normally I always pack with like a backpack that, like when I'm traveling around Europe, that's always my go-to, but now because I am going internationally and I am going for about 2 weeks, we will be going to Salvador, Ilha Grande, and Rio de Janeiro. So for 2 weeks, I will be taking a carry-on sized luggage and a backpack, my 32-liter Mente Cotopaxi one. So yeah, let me show you everything and then I'm gonna pack it so that you guys can see how I did it. So let's get into the good stuff. So as for pajamas, I like taking, just some shorts and a shirt. I might end up changing this one for a different one. We're gonna see. Right now I'm actually just getting over a cold, so I am hoping that I will be fine by tomorrow when I am going to be arriving in Salvador, but you never know, right? Okay, so we are going to be doing some hiking and things like that, so I'm going to be taking a sports bra, probably one more as well, and then at least a couple shorts so it's comfortable. Bathing suits, we need lots and lots of bathing suits. Like I said, it is summer, so we are going to be using a lot. So these are actually from this company called Moda that I found here in Portugal. And so it's like a top and a bottom, it's bikini. I also have the same one in orange, and I've been using it a lot. I love that it's just, locally owned, locally bought, and everything like that. So I love that. And this purple one is also so cute. It's from that same company, Moda. And so I bought it last summer, so this will actually be the second summer that I'm using it, but you know what, quien sabe, right? And then this is a new one that I got, which I think is cute. It's like a different type of style that I don't normally wear, but I'm excited for it. So far we have 4 bathing suits, 2 weeks. I feel like I should have another one, but we'll see. Okay, things like bras, y'all don't see that. Y'all don't see that. Okay, socks, I'm taking about 8 socks because I feel like I'll probably be able to do laundry if anything while I'm there. Okay, now into the stuff. So shirts, let us start with shirts. Okay, I like having options, as you can tell. A lot of these shirts I bought in different places, like during my travels and stuff, but let me show you. This one I bought in Portugal, actually this past summer when I was traveling around the Algarve and Alentejo with my parents. So this one's really cute. And then this one I actually got in Gamarra in Peru, where I feel like you can get a lot of really unique and cool stuff. So I like that. My sister made this one. Okay, she owns this company called Natty Peaches and she crochets so good, so many things, and she made me this beautiful top. So I'm gonna link her below. Definitely go check her out. Okay, so in terms of the tops, we're taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I feel like I can wear a shirt every single day and be fine. There we go. And then for bottoms, I am still on the fence about these. I'll report back if I actually take these, just because they kind of scrunch up a bit and I don't know if I want to have that. But for sure, I'm going to be taking this long skirt, these like super light pants that are like, really comfy. They go with everything. These pants, which I wore a lot last summer. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've definitely seen these. And then some shorts. I'm going to take 2 pairs of shorts because why not? So if I take all of these, it'll be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottoms. Okay. And then we have dresses and rompers. I'm still a little bit on the fence about them because I don't know if I necessarily will need / use them. There's like this like bodycon type dress, which I love the colors and I feel like it's so fun, but it's gonna be kind of hot and like sweaty, and I don't know if I really want to like get all sweaty in that. So this is another one that I'm taking. It's a romper. Also a bit tight and stuff, but I feel like, you know, I don't know, I feel like it'll be fun. And then this dress, which I really like, I like wearing it over bathing suits because like it opens in the front with all the buttons, and so it's just super easy to put on and put off. So in terms of clothes, that is all I'm taking. Let me go grab my shoes so that you can see the footwear I'm planning to take. I plan to take 2 sandals and 1 pair of sneakers and buy a pair of Havaianas while I'm there. I'm also planning to probably buy something that I will wear for Carnaval because I don't feel like the outfits that I'm wearing are just, you know, what I want for that night. And so, yeah, because obviously I'm doing this as a group trip. So we are going to be 13 ladies, including myself, then also plus our guide who's going to be going around with us. We're going to be there for the Ilha Grande and Rio de Janeiro part. And the night before the last, we are going to be doing Carnaval. Like we're going to be going to the Sambadrome. We're going to be like, you know, seeing the whole parade, all the costumes, listening to music, everything. And obviously I want to dress, you know, for the part, right? So I don't feel like this is kind of it. So I'm going to be on that lookout while I'm there to see if I find something that then I do end up wearing. So, okay, shoes. So I've been going back and forth a bit on what shoes I want to take, and now that I was just looking at them, I feel like I have a better idea. So these are brand new. I just got them here in Portugal in this little store called Seaside. I say little, but they actually have multiple stores, so don't listen to me on that. And I love how, you know, they have the strap in the back, like they're super comfy, like they have a nice grip, which is great, and it's going to be great here in Portugal when I come back as well. I got these Crocs, which are super comfy, super soft and everything. I never thought I'd be a Crocs girl, but after I saw these, a friend of mine wore them on the Women of Color Wellness Era Retreat, and I love them. They're super cozy, comfy and everything, so I got a pair. So I'm debating on like if I should not, because like I said, I want to get Havaianas there. So I don't know if I necessarily need to have this. Hopefully I can get those like really early on in the trip, and that way those will kind of like be really obsolete in a way. The other one that I'm thinking, and these, if I were to take them, they would just, you know, get thrown away. I will not be keeping these any longer because I know that they're all falling apart and stuff, and they're kind of like the other ones, but you know, they kind of just blend in a little bit more because of the color. Yeah, they've been troopers and they've lasted me for quite a bit. So they've gone on multiple trips with me. So yeah, this would be their last trip, but it'd be kind of cool to take them on this one. The other pairs of shoes I'm going to take are going to be black sneakers because like I said, we are going to be doing some hiking, and obviously I want to be a little comfortable when we do that and not just, you know, wear my white sneakers. That's normally something that I would bring, but I think for this trip I just might not bring them. I don't know. I'm a little indecisive, if you couldn't tell. So let's just look at the bags that I'm planning to take for this, so you can see like the suitcase and the backpack and everything I'm taking. And then let's actually pack this baby because I actually have to head to the airport in like 4 hours. So let's go. So these are the bags I'm going to be taking. The 32-liter Mente Cotopaxi backpack, which is great. If you see any of my older videos, you'll see that I use this one a lot, especially when I went to Slovenia and Budapest over the summer as well. So there's that one. And then I am also using this carry-on suitcase because like I said, I am going for more days and I'm hoping to probably buy a few things while I'm there, and so I just need like the extra space to be able to do so. And also because this is one of my group trips, I take one of the girls who attends my group trips one of these bags, which are my Latina Traveler bags, which I absolutely love. I mean, they're really simple, they're cute, but these are the features that I'm loving about them. They have pockets in the back for easy access for things. And the best part of all is that they have a zipper. So you can keep all of your things nice and safe, and you know that nobody's going to be able to put their hands in. You can find the link on where to buy them in the description below as well. And because I want to make sure that my stuff is staying safe, especially things like passports or my phone, when I go to like Carnival and stuff like that, I'm going to be taking this fanny pack that I like putting like around here so I can keep it nice and close. And I'm still debating on if I will be also taking my little backpack one. I like to sometimes use that instead of this bag just because, you know, I can put it on both straps and it's just a little easier to carry. So still going back and forth on that one. Yeah, so let's see what happens. what the final product is looking like. All of my clothes and shoes were even able to fit here, and then I just have like underwear and the bags that I'm taking for the girls.